toban. Anigoo kuu sheegay inaan nin rabo ayaa kuu sheegay, inaan rag rabo ayaa kuu sheegay walaalo. Naaro no rag uma baahni. They can go uma baahni, aqalkooda ay qaban karaan. Sidiina habeenkiina siduu yahay, joogigiina sidee buu yahay, ma wacan tihiin, ma wanaagsan tihiin. Haye cashooyinka marar ay ka dambeysay inuu wax baan hayaa. I heard inaan maqlay your number. Oh my god, Sam baa arkaa. Sam quruxo wuu isu dhow. Walaakiin Sam baa arkaa soo dhaweeya iska barta. Wow,
ما يسأل ميك اب ما صارت
makeup iska
beautiful والله.
so
يورنا باي سيدها
good. How are you?
صعب كم براسك حريصي بعدين.
Anyway, good. I'm planning to go to Germany in this month.
Okay, February. Are you gonna be there on Valentine?
No,
What's it after?
I'm working on Valentine.
You're working on Valentine.
Yeah, I think so. I'm at work on Valentine. To be fair.
Yeah. I'm not gonna you still don't tell me you're still single and you don't want to mingle.
No, I'm actually not.
Clock it! Wali هلي أنت المقطع.
No, I have a boyfriend.
Oh, congratulations, Abaya.
No, yeah. But it's all good.
That nigga must be fucking lucky. That's what I can say.
Yeah, I know. And I'm lucky as well.
You're lucky too. Oh, yeah, love.
You know, so which are your type and someone or a nigga vibes we have everything.
Mm-hmm.
If I can vibe with a person and it's my type, like I'm like,
You're going nowhere. You're locked in.
it's done, yeah. It's done.
I got you, Abaya. Well, the same thing. How I met Hannah. Once you get your I don't know what they call. Kind of feels like when you have some with the same chemistry, the same vibe.
Yeah.
It's your person in another way, like Isagoo I.
Yeah.
Is he around?
Yeah.
So you better like celebrating Valentine. Let's come on.
Yeah. No. Yeah. We are going to do something. We are going to do something like it will be in the evening. I will work. He will be at work as well, but we're gonna do something in the afternoon, like having.
Wallahi, mashallah. That's enough information. Don't go deep. I'm gonna probably deliver some flowers and some chocolate, some small gift maybe, and then go shopping, go do your pedicure, manicure, girlfriend, and then that's it. Like I'm here. What else?
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? I really like those gifts as well. So he's good with gifts as well.
He must be thoughtful, huh?
Yeah, he's really like those people that gifts. He's that. Yeah.
Oh, his love language is act of like is a gifting.
Yeah.
Kind.
Okay.
You know, my ex was like that, and
Really?
I am that way because you are also gifting because you attract, or maybe it can be not too much, but it's a reciprocate. It's like so. But I am kind of like her. I love so, and then I I remember after she gives me, that's when I know. Not she kind of like reminds me, but for her like for no special occasion hata.
Yeah, you know, I'm like that. I'm a thoughtful. So if it's if it's his birthday or if it's like a special occasion, I will do it.
Yeah.
But it's not just a special occasion. He'll just even give you. Let's just say you told him that you break something or you lost something. He'd be like, he'll buy you.
Oh.
So oh my god, I'm like,
what a consideration. What is it? How do they say it? Like when somebody is with consider.
Yeah, he's so considerate. Yeah, he's so considerate.
Amazing. How lucky you. I can get now. You said you are lucky to get him. What's up? Orta iga waran waxa iga warantaa here like on the app, the Mumford dialects, the Bello, the other guy. I remember all the guys, like all the friends. You still connect. Bella maldahay gabartii.
Yeah, Bella, she's really nice. She's lovely, Bella. I love her. I haven't seen her.
She's good, right? Ma arkin, since I am back, ma arkin amaankeeda.
Yeah, my way joogtaa. I've seen her the other day around. Sometimes if I open it and she sees me, she normally comes to say hi.
Yeah.
She's like one of my favorite people. She's a nice one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who else? I mean, everyone else that you know are still around and they're still good. And you do really well.
You have that amazing, pure, and like healthy circle that I connected with through your page, and they are amazing people.
Yeah.
This is a man.
You know what? Weirdly, the people that actually comes to my page are really positive people, just like you. Diego, she's amazing. I don't know, Emil, he's really lovely. I mean, Hor, all these things that are good people.
Mm-hmm. They're amazing. MashaAllah.
Well,
How about you?
Question.
Yeah, bye. Ask me.
I'm gonna ask you a question. I heard you know that girl. Do you know this?
What? Is it like
work? I don't know. Do you know what
waffles? Is it kind of like waffle? Sesame. Okay. Oh wow, they are very like it's like a brand.
No, it's sesame snaps.
I see. Sesame snaps. Okay.
Sesame.
Yeah, it's sesame. It's sesame. But those things I eat them with only one local made, handmade of work. I never seen with them brand kumarkin. I love sesame, wallahi. Your coconut too.
When I was young, my mom used to buy it for when it's Eid or when it's like kind of a special occasion. So it's like a memory for me. I was looking for a snack after work. I was like, what shall I have? And I saw this one. I was like, ooh, I'll buy it.
Yeah, and I don't know if you tried, but they used to put on the bread as well, like when they're baking. And then there's a little bit on the bread. You sure? You remember?
Yeah,
some bakeries do that. Yeah. Wait. What do you want to ask me about? You said you want to ask me something.
You know that girl, that lady that killed the little girl.
I heard they finished her. Is that true?
I heard she was killed.
Yeah, like a couple of days ago. I think it's true. I think it's true because they're eliminating females, women. They're eliminating females. So even the other guy or gabadha gubay wala dilay suma sayata last year in December.
No, they never killed him. I don't think so. They killed him.
I think there was a rumors about that too. I think I was not in the app, so
I'm pretty sure they let him go.
Yeah. But umalayna ani gabadha way dadajinayan they're gonna rush her,
I've heard they already killed her today.
Yeah.
What do you feel about her?
From go on, I wasn't happy about it because I knew play malahan, you know, she was put in the situation, wala walay, wala geli xaalada. She's a victim of herself, you know. That's what I think. Although they showed us those disturbing, you know, clips, everything about Sabrine, but this woman too, you know, all women, all Somali women are victims. So I'm not happy about it. Like, that's not justice. That's not justice. That's what I mean. You know, justice mahan. Yeah, and I made a video about it from the day they say like they judge her and she'll be killed, and the guy was judged with 1 year. Isn't that funny? Ingiriiska waa ku daalay iga daa Ingiriiska abay macaani. I don't live in UK, you know.
Let me tell you, and I am like 1000% welcome.